Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Survey Mentor Waqas. If you're a land surveyor or just passionate about precision in fieldwork, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into optimizing survey accuracy using the powerful Leica TS06 Plus. Whether you're working on construction layouts, topographic surveys, or boundary markings, this video is packed with real-world tips to boost your accuracy and save time. So, stay with us till the end. The Leica TS06 Plus is a reliable, high-performance total station designed for professional use, with features like fast EDM technology, high accuracy up to 1 mm, easy-to-use interface, long-range Bluetooth connectivity. It's the ideal partner for both beginners and expert surveyors to get the best out of your Leica TS06 Plus. Accuracy depends on how you set it up. Here are a few golden rules to follow. 1. Calibrate your instrument. Always check leveling and instrument settings before every job. 2. Set correct prism constants. Make sure the prism type and height are input correctly. 3. Use tie distance. Reference check. This helps verify the actual versus expected distance. 4. Avoid obstructions. Trees, buildings, and even heat waves can affect your readings. 5. Take multiple readings. Confirming points with repetition improves reliability. If you're looking to take it a step further, here are some pro tips. Use reflectorless mode for hard-to-reach points. Activate angle, compensation for better alignment. Store and export your data in CSV or DXF for fast integration into AutoCAD or Civil 3D. Always carry a spare battery and keep your lens clean. Now, let's jump to the field where we'll demonstrate how to apply these tips using the Leica TS06 Plus. You'll see live data capturing, prism adjustments, and real-time accuracy validation. If this video helped you understand how to optimize your survey accuracy, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Survey Mentor Waqas for more hands-on tutorials and surveying tips. Drop your questions below or tell us which instrument you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching and stay precise.